Okay, in this video, I would like to share about how to make a modern house with a rooftop and swimming pool. And first of all, you have to make line for the first, like this. You can position on the origin and just select the line. Just pull the line. It's around 10,000 millimeter, right? Then you can adjust the width of the right wing of the house. It's around maybe 4,000 millimeter, right? And then you can offset it. You can offset it. It's around 7,000 millimeter also. And after that, you can complete the line right here. You can complete the line, and then just push it up with the thickness. It's around 300 millimeter, right? And then just make it group anyway. And after that, you have to make path of the wall with a line like this. You can select this area, or you can just setting up the rest. For the first, you can set with tap measure tool right here. You can tap this with the measure tool with dimension. It's around 1000. You can set it 1000 millimeter, right? And then you can make a indoor wall anyway with a line. Just follow the guiding line that you have prepared for the first just now. Then you can make thickness of the wall. It's around 150 millimeter. Then you can erase some unnecessary object and just push it up. And just push it up. It's around 3,500 millimeter, right? And just make it group anyway. Then you can add some additional wall using a line also. Or you can just move it up with a move and press control to duplicate it, something like this. And you can just select this position and with a left click and just move it to the back right way, and you can adjust the position as you want for rooftop. Okay, and then you can make a rooftop floor with a rectangle, something like this. And you can adjust the thickness of the floor. It's around 400 millimeter, right? And just make it group. I'm sorry, and just make it group and move it down with a move and press shift on your keyboard to make a perfect move. Okay, and then you can add some um, canopy. You can add some canopy, or yeah, you can add canopy right here. It's around, maybe you can set 2000 meter right here, and just draw like this. And you can make some canopy profile. Just select this line, and you can use a follow me to complete the canopy. Okay, if you feel it just too small, you can adjust it with more movement to the left side anyway, so it could be look more interesting. Okay, another date, if you has been finished to make this canopy, you can um, adjust the flat roof on this area. You can adjust, you can make flat roof on this area just using a line, and then you just follow the path and just push it up until the thickness as possible. Okay, and just make it group, and you can adjust it. You can extend each side of this box anyway. You can adjust it. Okay, maybe something like this. And then you can make additional wall with rectangle anyway. You can just make a rectangle and push it front, and just make it group. And if you wanna add some wall again, then you just make a wall, something like this, and just make it group. And if you wanna make a railing glass, you just setting the line to follow the path to follow the path, and then you have to offset it inside. Anyway, you can have to offset it inside and just make it complete. Just make it complete connection between each line to make railing glass on the rooftop. Anyway, then you can push it up and just make it group. And after that, you can make another material. You can assign a material to make it look different, so it can make you easy to adjust and to check up the proportional of the building and exterior design. Anyway, then and you can adjust the canopy right here. You can adjust the canopy, or you can add more box canopy, add more concrete construction right here, and just make it group, and you can see the difference. Maybe something like this. Um then you have to make a landscape area, which is it gonna be make swimming pool. You can make basic plane for the first, and just push it down and just make it group, and don't forget to make swimming pool right here. Maybe you can adjust the level of the swimming pool, right? Mm, okay, maybe something like this. You can extend this pool deck to the front, right? Something like this. And you can add some additional landscaping right here. You can add more landscaping. Okay, you can adjust the swimming pool area. Anyway, you can set it up with a line. Maybe something like this. Then you have to push it down. Anyway, you have to push it down for a dip. Then you can select the dip. It's around 1,100 millimeter only. Okay, and after that you can adjust this edge of the pool. Anyway, you can adjust the edge of the pool. Just move this both of the line. You can move it up and just press back and pull back, and you can extend this. Okay, you can extend this shape to make material, uh, pool material, pool wall material. Okay, and then you can add some tile right here. You can maybe you can adjust this tile. You can add this square glass tile to make representative pool area like this. Then you can adjust the color, the brightness of and contrast swimming pool. Anyway, then and after that you can make another box right here to represent that, which is this is water. Okay, you can push it until complete the space. Anyway, then you can add more material with what water. You can select the water pool. Anyway, then you can adjust the opacity. Yes, you can adjust the opacity, maybe something like this. Okay, and after that, you can adjust this pool deck anyway. You can adjust this pool deck. You can make extent of this pool deck to be more longer than before. Anyway, then you can make okay. You can make um, pool deck. You can make you can divide the pool deck and floor area anyway, something like this. Okay, you just select cladding and siding material. You can use this. Maybe you can use. I think it's more interesting. I think it's more interesting to be full deck material, right? Then you can just rotate rotate it. Yeah, maybe something like this. Then you can um just adjust this position of the texture to make better full material, right? Okay, and then you can complete this material area, something like this. Okay, and then you can make another material. Maybe you can use this one to make a concrete area, and you can see the whole area. And then okay, then you can just make another shape of exterior facade anyway. Then you can use an offset inside. Maybe it's around 600, something like this. Then you just complete the line, something like this, and just push it to the front, and please give the extend position like this, and then you just okay, just make it group anyway. And then you can make another additional wall anyway. You can make another additional wall with just drawing this line, and just make more thickness, more wall variation anyway, and just push it up. And after that, you have to make it group, and just make another, just set another color of this area. You can create a color, create another color. Okay, maybe you can adjust the chocolate color or cream color maybe. Okay, maybe you can use this color to be more um, modern material, right? And then you can make more opening. You can make more opening. Anyway, you can just add more floor area right here, which is you can make another. I pretend that this is um a room. I pretend this is that which is uh another room on the house area. So you can add this room anyway with perfect wall like this, and you just make it group. You can use the previous method to complete this step anyway. Okay, something like this. Then you can just the flat roof on this area and just make a canopy right here. Just make the canopy right here, and you can make a extended canopy. You can set this canopy something like this, and you can set it up anyway. Okay, and then you can make a door opening for this wall anyway, something like this. You can just move and press control it to the top. It's around 2500 millimeter. Okay, then you can finish the window opening and just select the, okay, maybe something like this. Then you can complete it. Just push it back until, just push it back and just erase it. Okay, maybe something like this. You can see it, and after that you can make glass opening anyway. Or sorry, you can add more opening in this area, or you, anyway, you can just this house element and just move it down and just push it up. We surround like this. Okay, you just push it down until it touch the bottom object, and you can make opening right here. Can make opening right here. Then just push it back. And then you can make another corner window. You can make another corner window by moving this line to the top and just separate the unnecessary window like this. You can push it back and push another side back anyway, something like this. And you can just make, anyway, you can adjust this railing. You can adjust this railing to move to the front more, and just push it back until touch the wall anyway. Then, and after that, you may pretend that it was a floor right here. Okay, then you can make you can make line path to make a glass door, that cornering door and window from the glass right here. Just push it down anyway. Okay, and just make it group and just make it transparent. Okay. Okay, now after that you can make glass object right here. You can make a glass object and just push it to the front and just make it group anyway. Then you can assign same material for this, and you can add more. You can add more the window and the door from the glass. Anyway, you can offset it inside. Okay, and just delete unnecessary line right here. Then you can just offset it inside and just um complete the line. Anyway, just complete this line shaping to make glass design. Anyway, or you can make different level with this area. So you can assign the translucent glass blue in this object, and you can make another. You can make another object by using sorry, by using glass blue. Okay, and just make it group and just set the material, right? Okay, and after that you can make the different level of the floor. You can just set it up, move it until end of the wall, and just push it up. Okay, until you found a different level of the between pool deck, pool, and the main building area. Okay, you can see the shape of the house. Anyway, you can see the shape of the house, and you can make another frame of the house. Anyway, you can make the another frame of the house. You can use a rectangle. Anyway, you can use a rectangle, something like here, or you can divide the door opening. You can draw this line and just move it up, and just move it up, and just divide the door door opening, something like this. You can see, and just erase it and just make it frame, and just push it down. Anyway, then you can offset it inside. It's maybe it's around 30 millimeter for the frame, and you can just push it back until the thickness as standard as possible. You can research more about the frame thickness. Anyway, you can make it component, just create it and just make it move and press control. Anyway, or you can adjust the glass. You can adjust the glass to make it more realistic. Okay, to make it more realistic, and you can just delete this one, and you can adjust the door thickness in this area, maybe something like this, and you can make it group and just make it component. Anyway, just create it and just move and press control, and you can see it. And after that you can duplicate this window to make a more less effort for your modeling. Anyway, you can move and press control and just rotate it and just type 90 degree and move and just press control, and press, and you can adjust the correct arrangement of this. Okay, maybe something like this. You can continue by yourself. You can explore the about the position of the frame as you know and as you want. And this is need more frame to make a fixed glass right here. Something like this, and just make it group and just push it back. Okay, and you can make it component to duplicate this. Just move and duplicate and just rotate it until 90 degree, right? And just move and its position on the correct position, and you can use line and just offset it inside or outside. You can set the glass thickness right here and just complete the with the line and just push it up. You can push it up and make it group and just make the transparency of the glass. You can set the material, the frame material with dark frame. You can adjust it. Okay, you can adjust this material. Okay, something like this. Anyway, then and after that you can duplicate this. You can duplicate this to move to the above floor, to the upper floor, and just rotate it 90 degree and just move to the correct position, right? And just press Control to duplicate it. Anyway, then you can you can make it unique. You can make it unique for the first, then it will be automatically adjust by your design. Anyway, then you can make a move and press Control to duplicate it and press 90 degree of the rotation. Okay, just press 90 degree of the rotation, something like this. Okay, and you can just duplicate this door panel. You can duplicate this door panel to the upper floor right here and just adjust the glass of it. Just the door glass and just rotate it and press 90 degree anyway, and press the position as you want, and you can adjust it anyway. Then you can adjust you can adjust the position of this frame and just adjust the another glass object anyway, and you can make it unique. Then this is only two door will be improved or will be changed when you modify this object anyway, and just move it up. Okay, something like this. Okay, I think it's the basic of the shape. Then then you can make more additional material, like additional wall right here, or maybe you can add some uh, wall panel. Use a rectangle right here. You can make a wall panel profile with a rectangle and just push it to the front, and you can adjust it. You can adjust it. Just press it back and just make it group, make it component. Just create it and move and press Control right here. You can adjust it. You can duplicate it and just press maybe 40. Okay. Then you can delete some unnecessary object in this movement, right? You can select all of this component, and you can select this material to apply to this facade anyway. And you can move and press Control then you can just choose this position to make a perfect wall panel material, right? You can adjust it, or you can move it and just rotate it until 90 degree anyway, and just move it back. Just make it unique, or you can um, move and duplicate this more. Okay, something like this. Okay, so you can see the difference of the material, right? I think it more need more lower than before for this material, right? So it more look like modern and simple. and and I think it need more um longer than before for this canopy. You can adjust this canopy as good as possible, right? You can adjust the thickness. You can adjust this thickness, and you can adjust the connection between canopy and the wall anyway. Okay, and after that you can make separation of the you can make a separation of the rooftop area and just edit the position. Okay, okay, and you can see it. Anyway, it need higher more higher roof anyway. Then you can make more profile to make it more detail, and just adjust it anyway. You need more profiling this area by using a move, something like this. Using just only you can just only move this line for the first to make more representative material, right? And you can adjust all of the. Okay, I'm sorry. It will be complete plain for the first before you push it to the front anyway. And you can continue it. You can continue by this profile and just make it complete profile on another side. Okay, you can complete it. And after that, you can make another wall. You can just set the another wall anyway, and then you can select another color for more appropriate material, right? And you can see it. You can add more. Maybe you can add more variation of the wall with this wall panel right here. You can just rotate it 90 degree. And then you just move it on the appropriate wall anyway. Okay, maybe something like this. You can delete the unnecessary line. You can delete the unnecessary object. I'm sorry. And you can scale it up. You can scale it up. It doesn't, sorry, it doesn't. Okay, and you can add more. Or maybe you can add some this board material and just set it up, set the color, set the interesting color anyway. You can use it, and then you can adjust this landscape. You can adjust this landscape by make landscape separation with a rectangle and just push it up and make it group. And don't forget to make it appropriate material. You can select landscaping and just select it. Okay, and then after that you can after that you can make more component to complete it. You can make a more component with this tools. You can select sorry. You can select this component. Maybe you can select this outdoor dining table anyway. Then you can select this tree. Okay, and maybe you can adjust this scale. You can adjust this scale and put it on attractive attractive position. Anyway, you can make a planter box of this tree. Anyway, you can add some planter box. Don't forget to add material, concrete material, something like this, and just move it up and just select the color of the vegetation. Yes, maybe something like this. You can move it and duplicate it to another appropriate position, right? Okay, you can position it on this area maybe. Okay, something like this. Okay, I hope you got a lot of advantage and benefit tips and trick by this video. Wait for my next video. Thank you.